In this video, we will discuss a project whose dummy will be attached with the lecture. If you will run, then HTML will come whose headings are monster health and player health. This is progress bar here. We have buttons here which are not clickable. We will work on these. We have attack, strong attack, heal and show log. When I will click on attack, then we will give start to monster health power 100. It will decrease. Monster will attack player health. The health of player will also decrease. In strong attack, the power will be more less. Then it can heal. We will have logs which can be showed. You will open the project. In File Open folder, the project will be opened. In project, we have assets, in which there will be a folder of script. In script, we will have app.js. In app.js, we will work. There will be a file of vendor.js which we will discuss one by one. There is a folder of styles in which there is a file of app.css in which styling is done. We will start with index.html. We have a title here, Monster Killer, in which we have link. We have put the reference of style sheet here. In assets we have style and in style we have app.css. Then we have two files of script. One is window.js and the other is app.js. In assets we have script. We discussed before why we use defer. In body we have written the HTML. We have given the headings of monster health. Then there is the bar of progress. In HTML we write progress like this and we close the tag of progress. Then we have given its ID so we can use it in .js. We have kept the max value 100. Max is also 100 and value as well. In the same way, for player health also, we have kept max and value 100. This section is closed here. Then comes the second section. We have buttons here. Attack, strong attack, heal and show log. In HTML we have two sections. One is monster health, player health and the other is off buttons. Now in vendor.js with getElementById, we have attached it. We have discussed this before. Here monster health bar, player health bar and bonus life. Like this we have attached. The same we have done with buttons. We have taken the IDs of attack button, strong attack. We will discuss this one by one while performing functionality. Vendor.js is our communication channel with index.html.